This is Code.org. I'm currently working on CS Principles, Data Tools, Lesson 8, Creating JavaScript Objects, Part 3. Objects for our purposes. Objects. For our purposes, you can think of an object as a collection of variables, properties, and dot notation. The variables contained in an object are called its properties. Just like a variable, a property has a description, name, and contains a value. Yes, and we've used properties already. We just weren't calling them that, right? Like turtle.x maybe, things like that. So in JavaScript, we use dot notation to access individual properties of an object. You have seen this before with the event object. When you wrote something like event.offsetX, or event.key for key detection, these are both properties and they're going to be returned by something. But anyways, their value is. Do this. Starter code is provided, which has event handlers for both click and key down events. You will need to use dot notation to display individual properties of the event object. Add code to the click event handler that uses console log to display the offset X and offset Y properties of the event object. Add code to the key down event handler that displays the key property of the event object. Run your program and confirm that the correct information is being displayed in the console. It should look something like the picture below. Alright, so what do we have here? We need to check the properties of click and key down. So we need to add something to display the offset X and offset Y properties. So let's go over to variables. Nope, in math. Oh, they're making us write it all. That's mean of them. Okay, so using our console log, we'll leave clicked at, and then we need to use dot notation. So it's going to be plus event, just like when we want a variable with our string, event dot offset capital X for offset X plus we're doing offset Y. Okay, plus I'm going to do clicked at plus comma space single space and then plus event dot offset Y. Cool. And now we want to also display key property. All right. And we're going to use dot notation to get that. So you press, cool, we can leave that, plus event dot key, and this will get that key variable from our event. What's event? Event's this parameter. So we get that automatically. Now we're saying, okay, event, let's check dot offset. And so the variable in event, which is offset X, will be returned. It will show us what that is. Let's try. So click. Yep. 171's X. 190's Y. Alright, and then let's see. That's funny. It was blank because I pressed this space. Perfect. And it's getting the key that we pressed. Awesome. So, using properties is going to be super handy, and it's done in, well, real-world coding a lot, right? So make sure you're getting familiar with dot notation. Let's keep going.